today is quite possibly the biggest case we've ever built in. G'day guys, my name is Corey and I run the Designs by FR YouTube channel, and if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. We're on the way to 300,000, so hopefully you guys can help us get there. If you're interested in supporting our channel, YouTube member and Patreon links are in the description. For today's build, we have a very special one. It's for a very good friend of ours. He's actually a Facebook streamer, streams PUBG, and his name is Sour Killer. Now for his system today, we have the View 91 case, which is a very large computer. So we're gonna end up putting two water cooling loops in there, one for the 2080 Ti GPU that is kindly provided by Asus, and one for the CPU, which is the 9900K. Now we're gonna be doing something to the water cooling loop that none of you guys have ever seen before on our channel. So it's gonna be very new. So I hope you all enjoy the video. The links will be in the description for all the specs. Massive thank you to Asus and Thermaltake for supporting the build. Enjoy. you have it, guys. This is the final result of our PC build for our killer. For the specs, our GPU is the Asus Strix 2080 Ti, and it is supported by a 9900K CPU, which is going to be absolutely perfect for gaming. And the 9900K CPU has some nice cores and threads for streaming. Now, we actually tried to do the spiral a lot of times. There was a lot of fails, but we finally got the perfect one, which connected our graphics card straight back to the reservoir. It consists of 2 loops, and then we've got the white loop going straight through the middle, as you guys can see. Now, I thought that the RGB looked really nice on the white liquid and the purple liquid, so I ended up leaving the fans alone. However, I have downloaded the software, so we were thinking about changing it to white just to highlight everything inside the build. Let me know what you guys think. Should we change it to white or should we leave it RGB? Now, we also have an Asus Maximus motherboard inside, and that is supported with some Thermaltake memory. This is actually 4400 megahertz speeds. If you want to learn more about the specs, I'll leave everything in the description anyway, so you guys can check those out. Once again, just a big shout out to Asus and Thermaltake for supporting the build. It's greatly appreciated, and I hope you all enjoyed the build video. If you do want to support us, I'll leave the Patreon link and YouTube member link in the description. It helps us out a bunch, especially when we have to pay for materials and everything. All that money goes straight back towards the channel, and that's how we're able to bring you guys PCs weekly. And while I still have you here, guys, go and check out last week's PC build, a yellow semi-steampunk design. That would be greatly appreciated, and we'll see you all in the next one.